Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, fail to connect the server with their invalid or expired identity token, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So first off, you're going to close out Hytale and now you're going to make sure that your date and time is set correctly, because if your date and time is set incorrectly, you'll have problems connecting to the internet and hence you can't play or connect to the server in Hytale. So open up your start menu right here, date and time, and now set your time zone here. After that, you're going to click set time automatically, and then you're going to click sync now on here. And once you click sync now, it will sync your time with the internet. Now what you're going to do is you're going to run Hytale, the client and the launcher as administrator. So just open up your start menu right here, Hytale, right click on Hytale launcher, click open file location, right click on it again, click open file location again, and now right click on it, click properties, click compatibility, click run this program as an administrator, click apply, okay, and now find your Hytale games client. So just go to your Hytale's directory and find your game client and then do the same thing on it. So right click on it, click properties, compatibility, run this program as an administrator, click apply, okay, and now restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you can run Hytale and you'll see that you will be able to connect to servers. You will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.